this video, you can learn how to remove access to users in a Google Ads account. If this is your first time visiting my channel, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get video updates when new content is added. Having logged into Google Ads account, we need to click Tools and Settings tab in the top menu bar. And again, we need to click Access and Security tab from the drop-down navigation menu here. To revoke access to any specific person, we need to click this Remove Access link corresponding the user we have added in our Google Ads account. And again, confirm removing the access from this pop-up window. With this, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you find this video tutorial helpful. Please like and share this video tutorial and subscribe to my channel to get updates when new content is added.